Hey everyone, welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex. Hi guys, how are you today?
I hope you're feeling relaxed. Maybe you're at home, maybe you're walking, maybe you're on a bus listening with your earphones.
Or maybe you're pretending to work, but actually listening to us.
Haha, that's okay. We won't tell your boss.
Today's episode is special. We will practice English listening through daily life stories.
Yes, no difficult grammar, no pressure, just simple English. Real situations, real feelings.
And if you feel shy speaking English, this episode is for you.
Exactly. Many learners understand English, but when it's time to speak, silence.
Oh yes, that moment. Your brain says, say something, but your mouth says, nothing.
It happens to everyone. Let's talk about a common problem. Fear. Fear of making mistakes.
Oh, I know this feeling. Even when I was learning Spanish, I felt nervous.
Really? What happened?
I wanted to order coffee, simple coffee, but I forgot one word. I stood there like,
And the waiter?
He was smiling, waiting, and I felt so embarrassed.
That's normal. Now listeners, think about this. Have you ever felt nervous speaking English? Pause for a second. Think.
Maybe in school, maybe in an interview, maybe on the phone.
Phone calls are scary for many people.
Yes, because you cannot see the other person's face.
Okay, let's tell a small story. One day, I went to a café. I wanted to practice English. The waiter spoke English very well. I said, "Hi, can I get a coffee?" Simple, easy. But then he asked, hot or iced? And suddenly, my brain stopped.
Why? It's an easy question.
I know, but sometimes when someone speaks fast, we panic.
Yes, panic is the problem, not English.
Exactly. So what can you say if you don't understand? You can say, "Sorry? Can you repeat that? Can you speak slowly?"
Oh, yes, I use that a lot. Can you say that again, please?
Very polite, very natural. Now, listeners, repeat after me. Can you repeat that, please? Pause. Say it aloud. Good.
Harry, I think many learners overthink.
Yes, they want perfect English.
But real-life English is not perfect.
True. Even native speakers make mistakes. Yesterday I said, "I doed there."
Really?
Yes, I was tired.
See, guys, it's okay.
Let's talk about another daily story. Imagine you are at a supermarket. You need help. You see an employee, but you feel shy. Your heart beats fast. What can you say? Very simple. "Excuse me, where is the milk?"
Yes, short and clear.
If they answer too fast, say, "Sorry, I didn't catch that." Repeat it with me. "I didn't catch that." Pause. Good.
Harry, what does catch mean here?
Good question. It means understand or hear clearly. Example, "I didn't catch your name."
Oh, that's useful. Now, let's talk about overthinking.
Many learners think, what if I say something wrong? But I have a question. What if you say something right?
Oh, I like that.
Your brain always thinks about the worst situation, but most conversations are simple. Let's do a mini dialogue. I'm your coworker. Hey, how was your weekend? What would you say? Pause. Think. You can say, "It was good. I relaxed at home." Simple.
Or, I went out with my friends.
Yes, short sentences are powerful. Let's share another small story.
Okay, so last week I called customer service. I hate calling.
Me too.
My hands were cold. I felt nervous. But I prepared 3 sentences before calling.
Smart.
I wrote, "Hello, I need help with my order. My order number is, can you check it, please?" That's it.
Preparation gives confidence. Listeners, this is important. Before speaking English, prepare simple sentences. Don't prepare a long speech, just 2-3 key sentences. Let's practice another real-life situation. You meet someone new. They say, "Nice to meet you." You can say, "Nice to meet you too." Easy. They ask, "Where are you from?" You say, "I'm from Pakistan," or "I'm from Brazil," or "I'm from Turkey." Short.
And if you feel shy, just smile. Smiling helps.
Yes, smiling gives you time to think. Now, let's talk about mindset.
Oh, serious time?
Not too serious. Relax. English is not a test. It's a tool. You use it to connect, not to impress.
I love that.
When you focus on connection, fear becomes smaller. Think, I just want to communicate, not I must be perfect. Let's do a small listening exercise. I will say a short story. Just listen. Yesterday, I missed the bus. I felt stressed, but then I decided to walk. The weather was nice. I listened to music. In the end, it was a good morning. Now, what happened first? Pause. Yes, I missed the bus. Good job.
Oh, I like this. It's simple but helpful. Now let's talk about daily life at home. Sometimes family members speak English with you. Maybe your child, maybe your sibling. Use small English moments. For example, instead of saying, "Give me water" in your language, say, "Can you pass me the water?" Yes, small daily practice.
Language grows slowly, like a plant. You water it every day, not once a month.